Naendo mwancho muligereria kirongwegena nogenderete kwegokya kubwate miroberi yonse yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii charagire Chinsa Isato keronde to kwarigania yonkumanye unanara ya na kwariganirie asenchera ere yobwekiranu korenderi tanganike gimatiga na kumanye gatiari kwariganiretie asenchera ere yobwenye.
Kwa sasa tunawaomba wazazi, mimi nikiwa mmoja wao, tuwe na uwezo wa kuwahimili wanafunzi katika masomo ya ziada.
Abaibori nigo baboriwe gusiro muroberio CBC ero gokonya abana babo gukora byasa masomo.
Tunaomba pia competition ikuwe ya wanafunzi wote, because hakuna mwanafunzi ya private school na hakuna mwanafunzi ya public school.
Ababwatani b'ekikuru ky'abantu nyene nigo baganire ekikuru ekyo koinyorwa kinga kyokoena na wekibesase ekikuru.
We are doing various research and capacity building activities that are all targeted towards
ebyombe au kubwatira nago cyaki umurobero bubokoro mu cyando bweryoki ase kinyumba. Mancho muligereria ya munaenda mange ngo kwarigani ngumanya senchira ere yobwekirano ekerango konyerebuna nabakondera gotonyora sensemere ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asesemo ya Facebook tubwatwetera Ndizi TV News Digital ase umutandao Twitter nabago twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ase website ya itoni waratonyarwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eri togendere go sanga mange eritariane Evelino Sera ultokubwatera nere kwene kyawe kera sensemo imanyererio gakoro kwa Joshua Auta ya chaka korwase kaunti ya Kisii awase umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simbarati akorire umuroberio obwo kubaraba kole mirimo be serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii na nene kurigereria amasakarabo gose na maikirano abo ukwana sensemo ya ATC me muchubusongo arati nigo atebabuna baena nirechibesa go cyase kyombege tenere tamatemu kyanek eriyo kurigereria gose amasakarabo kole mirimo be kaunti ya Kisii nare amaikirano nigo arwege kurege tindi na nonde bwensi amaskaraye arakonyorekana bunatari amaikiranu nigo arachiye gotenenigwa emeremo awase amachibu korwase ekyombegyo kyanek akagaire kwenanwa wike gocha muri keito Frida Kerbone kiranasa yo na gutwariganire roboti orwa senchira ere yobwikiranu.
Omorobeli obwokubara abakoli emirimo nabo igokora ingoli ya certificate cyabo ime county ya Kisii nigosie kwa bene no mugabana bwe county yo Paul Simbarati asensemo ya ATC
igo chingaki cyo kubarundero cya enkoera rishirika riri ya the Institute of Human Resource Management baansire kwira nabale baansi bono korora kero umuntu nakyaswete county
gokwa nanigo ainekia okolingoli gwakobakoli emirimo kiribu isano nechimikyenda asoko bwaterana nekyombegete tamatemwa nek asoko enekia obwasioku
na tuabekire kibese supplementary kibese kiko cyako verify ki certificate cy'abantu kibanyo the form 4 na kiba kote diploma kera diploma ende yonse matemwa kole na diploma nek ekoru certificate igo twalike irenek twanchirane na barabo bons batebri nande batwanchirite gotokorere enusi eri igoli ribaho korali ya kawaida igoli ya kawaida iri kiri bibere na 500 lakini nek banchire ikerne serikali serikali banchire gotokorere selwe yemo na 250 certificate yemo
boigo nigo ainekibuna okubara ukona kokora eneki emirimo elia omonto aganeire gokora
kubara ukona bukora tokonye abantu okolegas balike onye no munyagitali akora munyagitali ono mugendi eroli agendi eroli oyo no mwabusi akore kwabusa kwae mpaka kiro montamana wabusire tumwe engere
nigo ainekibuna onde bwensi osoete ase county asenchera etali endonge na chikwemokerigwa egetambukiro.
Kwa hivyo mtaona watu wakipiga nduru na wakubali yaishi kama waliingia kwa certificate ambazo hazikuwa mzuri, walitengeneza zao zingine. Sija bin Seng Simba hajaenda shule. Sasa nataka nione wale ambao hawakwenda shule. tutapambana na wao. We must have, people must earn from where they have done what. So
bono nigo aeneke buna orobotindo chigosoka kurwa ase ekyombe gianek magegaye wiki eyamo nonde bwensi oratokekane na masakara yobolimo narusigwe abisi
gonya sai ka wanje nande weekend eyamo konyo atore results shows kurwe snack koro kibantu mbale barostia masakara yobolimo masakara ji certificate ba cherere mpaka university ole wao to denga onye kwa rosenti kanya koibanga obruge bituma otoletere tobole nendagira turagereria abantu baitu abarwere batinyakitara.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Miyamano murikeito Frida Kerubo ase oroboti orurikirano koro ase county ya Kisii abaibori nigo baboriwe kubaika abana babange anena segekeke barachie kogenda inkaso mutimoko obwege kakemeti nyebere okwana no muriki w'ekikuru ase goseji skuru cy'abantu nyene imeye county ya Kisii Edwina Undiko tinga kyo kubekerwa egutwa kwa borokiwa ase skuru ya South View Junior Academy eyo gotoka imeye Nyamarambe ebunge ya South Mugrango nigo ate babu na nerebuya abaibori kuborokereria abana babo chimbwa chirekingia muri keito Vincent Onyancha na manke
wenye mada sindikize skuru yetu wenye mada sindikize skuru yetu nam sindikize skuru yetu keti kitaka burudika makinika safiri nasi hani tamati karibuni
nenga kiyogo chengero koboko emyaka 19 ya skuru yoborosi ya South View Junior imenya Nyamarambe South Mugrange County ya Kisii boigo kuro kwebiego gochasa abana babiri bagokorabya ase boigo bahari gukora na gosieke tamu ya gatatu
bitukoria rero tare 22 mutendo 11 etobwate function school yaito entanganigere graduation ya kindergarten secondly ntobwate prize giving day number 2 ntobwate closing ceremony baibori no barega ige school
umudirector we school yo Edwina nigate birubuna byarigandi boikirano asamate mwalia arengete CBC grade sana muna boigonaria a KCPE.
Number 1 very prepared. They have revised for the exams. Umwakori wetento wate means kwa 341. Umwako yontore shwanga konya tore means kwa kogenda even better around 360 or 370.
Ngana boigo yairwa koboko mwalimu monene bwe skuru eyo.
Kwa hivyo kama mwalimu mkuu wa shule hii ningependa kuambia wazazi ya kwamba watoto wetu wa darasa la grade ya 6 na darasa la 8 wanafunzi wetu wameandaliwa vilivyo. Hakuna shaka ya kwamba pengine watakuwa na wasiwasi ama watakuwa na hofu wakati wanakabiliana na hii mtihani ambao unakuja wa KIPSEA kwa grade ya 6 na KCP kwa grade ya kwa study 8.
Abaibuli aborokia na aborokiwa nigo barigane boikira n'umuyega bweli tukulia lero ase boigo batogiye skuru ya South View Junior.
We have prepared all learners well. We don't have doubt those people are going to pass very well.
We have affirmed to our parents that we are going to attain a mean score of 370.
Ndege tukirega iga go bakurinda abana barindita abana bali kunya gukora gocori yandete yonekero bagucieke skuru go baguturangiria kwacha tuyi abana.
We are prepared very well. I know we are going to pass this exam. We have done thorough revision.
We assure our parents and our teachers that we are going to pass our KCP examinations. They have been cooperative to us.
This is one of the best schools in Nyamarambe, and I'm sure we'll pass.
Chingaki cy'abaibuli nigo baborirwa ko barenda abana babo aseruse yentambe yemeti nyebere wekastari kemeronge na Isato mutinyo mutangano January ekaro chiskuru chigo chia koigorwa
eruse yetobwate gocha nentambe abaibori eruse yenentambe imeti nyebere ne yekegetambe kamoranche muna abana bagochanka basomire babere prepared gukonyanka batige batake party nebinto byanka ekerochi skuru chibwate holiday camps bagende bakore activities torenda bana tokwane na barabu enchirageta abana babaito
waangalie nyumbani, afuatilie mienendo ya mtoto, afuatilie tabia na mrekebishe papo hapo ili mtoto huyu akirudi kwetu asirudi tofauti kabisa.
Nigo lya beritukulia moko gochia sabaro kigwawe skure yega ase skuru ya South Fio gotoka imia South Mugrango ase county ya Kisii ekora gochengera ugosie ko skuru ase tamu ya gatatu nigo boy gorengri tukoli nene gochia sa aboro kiwa anaso kunyara ko yewe biego bali babiri ba karabia ane ase tamu ye kolenga no director we skuru eni ga robo semia gochia asa baiboli kone kibuna ase rusen tambe yimitinye bera bana bagocha asinga chiabo abaiboli bane kibuna nkolenda bale abana babo ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ko base skuru ya South Fio kutoka mia South Mugrango county ya Kisii retirana nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Miyamana umuriketo Vincent Onyancha ase orboti ororikiranu chinga kichiskuru chigendrete gosiekwa na baroki wabe birasi byense kwenyorera chigutwa chyogoska mutwa sekeras kende nigo abayiboli na boiga barokia bagendete korwe birengerere byabo kubwatikana no muroberio OCBC na boigo omukia bwa barokiwa muriketo Mildred Momanyi na bagawikirana ase skuru yoboroso ya Wema Preparatory iyo toka sebunge ya Bonchari imeye county ya Kisii ase omuyega bwo kubekerwa egutwa kwa baroki wabako korekana kurendo murikeito Sara Nyarangi Ontita nero bwa torboti oruo
etamu yo mwakoyo nigo yabereire angekoera abwasa bana ba PP2 kogenda grade 1 banyara ko bagokora umuyega bwo kubekerwa chigutwa ime yeskuru yoboroso ya Wema Mid Valley Preparatory ime yali amasagara ebunge ya Bonchari niga baroki gwa baorokia obamanyi bwabo kubwatekana no muroberio OCBC weteretengo amono korokia ebyego byabo ao ekero babwa tomuyega bwo gochengera abana babo abo bale korwa PP2 gochia grade 1
You must go to school.
This is an institution that is following the CBC curriculum into details, and I've seen that children are trained all around. We've been entertained in different aspects of life, in co-curricular activities, in everything. It has been so perfect. The training of children in the speaking of the language is very good, and I strongly believe the practical part of it is so good.
Omo director weskuru yo George Masagara niga kwanera igoro yo muroberio OCBC asatebire baraboni nigo bagokereto muroberio yo ekyagera nigo gosira ebyegwa asaborokiwa
bereto kurwa omutalo mu OCBC kuchakira ibirasi byanse byoboroso mpaka ibirasi byigoro twabere tokora matemwa Kenya National Examination Council na bono mana tokukwa na matemwa grade 3 grade 4 on siasoira system nigo twegenete ngabana goika bakonyo go develop their competencies
ase chinga kiecho nigo mworoki gwa bweskuru eyo abaganiria maya asaboroki gwa bakirasi isano nemo nabo igo ekirasi kya gatano na gatatu asamatemo manene yo mwakoyo bwechiri bwibere na merongo ebere nebere.
For those one who are going to sit for their exams grade 6 and for class 8, we wish them all the best.
Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.
Miyamano Sara Nyarangi Ontita ase oroboti oruo abaroki wani go baboriwe kworokia chimbwa chindonge anene ekero baringa somutumuko wa masomo na boigo kobeka omukia chinga kyabe boigo baboriwe kworokereria abana babo kibabwenerete gokora ayangorengana no mwalimu monene weskuru yabamura ya Nyamache iyo gotoka sebunge yabo basi Peter Lunani oyo boigo obaka ukwanera igoro muroberio OCBC anene junior secondary school na boigo gukwanira igoro ya mariganio ya matemwa manene a KCSE muri keitonde mo Stephen naikirana se skuru eyo na utwariganirio roboti wa bene
ekalenda yechisemini gegenderete kweringa na chiskuru gochaka gosieka kwana nalivaga saba orokiwa bagoisaransa matemwa manene gotwara chinga kichinyororo choko yarigania Lunani Peter no mwalimu manene o Nyamache boys.
wazazi si lazima uwe mkali, lakini jaribu kumfanya mwanao pia aelewe sababu ya kusoma. Hatutaki ikifika Januari 23 shule zitakapokuwa zikifunguliwa iwe kwamba tunapokea wanafunzi ambao wamekuwa ombwe tupu fikirani. Wameketi nyumbani kwa muda mrefu, hawakusoma, wanapofika muda wa juma moja mnawapa mtihani, alafu wanashindwa kufanya lolote. Let them be able also to visit libraries. Let them also be able to have group works. Let them have friends who are going to help them.
Nonye erusake gocha no mochengo ye no boteneri bwechi skuru gotware biro byo kobeka emeroberie kalenda chisemie kobwatia Nyamache Boys terare makeboikeranu kwarigania abana ba grade 7 ogochika goise korwegwa basome imechi secondary.
Nyamache Boys as a school today, I want to be very sincere. We are prepared, of course, because we are an established boarding school, but we are not a confirmed establishment as far as CBC is concerned in terms of books, in terms of teachers. There are many other gaps that we really need to fill before we really get 100% prepared.
Ogo saba kwagatia ababwatani bechi semina se serikali kwene kiabuna abaorokia ba junior secondary banyalire konyora amaoroki gwaikiranete amo nebinto biganeiri.
We first need to create space for them to sleep. 2, we need more than 1 classes, because I know that there are schools out there that have never gotten CBC classrooms. And also, we need training because a 3-day training for a teacher who went through 4 years of university education may not be the best. So in-service courses can still come in to assist teachers.
Buna sukuru chinde chionsi, Nyamache Boys nigegenete buna nero beretike boikiranu asamate mwa manene ya KCSE alevosio.
Currently have 156 candidates that we have prepared well, I believe, despite the shortened academic calendar.
Nonyeche skuru siganirete kwerobe libosibo gosieka kwaya nigo bono mwalimu monene bwe skuru ya Nyamache Boys anyalire gosaba abana kwene kibuna mbaga ndeli chimbu chingia aso mutimo kora anyare ko mutimo ko mutambe go ikomutinyo mutanga nibo mwaka gwekiri bwibere na 23 ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa iga ase skuru ya Nyamache Boys gotoka ime bunge abo basi me county ya Kisii elietaliane Ndemo Steven.
Mia mono murikeito Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti ururikiranu omo women representative bwe county ya Kisii Doris Donyaburi ni gorit kolia rero amo na balia bakumwegerera baikabosio bwe kigambiro kia Kisii erio kwegerera kubatkana nekio kia begetwe gyo kwamereria obobuyibwaye na gutumanyo murikeito Frida Kerbo oyobaga wikirana asensemiyo omwamererio Donya oyore muswat Janet Yongerani go akagergo ikirana bosbe kigambiro abori tukoria ankyo nere korwa oborori bwaye.
Ekigambiro gya Kisii Lokoch imeyomocho bosongo nigori tukoria rero gyategerera okwamereria obobuyibwo mu women rep bwe county ya Kisii Doris Abuli.
I was given a certificate for my Gusii to show that I was duly elected and I won.
That's the certificate that you were next as next year number 3.
Yes.
Now the certificate of elected county women rep to the National Assembly. We seek to produce that. It is dated the 12th of August 2022. We would wish to produce that as the defense exhibit 3.
Vago kwana asichinsemecho nigo abanachebina na boigo abawakili ba Doris Donya baba bakogenda mamincha kubwatikane chinkwana chabete chikobekwa asekigambirikyo kubwatikananga nigo abantu bale koyegwa chibesa oboibibwe chikura na boigo kogenda mamincha na machiko yekyombegetene tobo choline chimbebe ABC.
The next candidate at 7. next one at 2,
plus 2,
next one at 5,
plus 5,
next one at 3,
plus 3,
the next one at 6,
plus 6,
then 2,
plus 2,
plus 3,
plus 3,
plus 105,
plus 105,
plus 3,
plus 3,
plus 2.
plus 2.
What is that total?
255.
And how many valid votes were recorded?
255.
So truly there is 0 vote unaccounted.
Yes.
Bona nigo ogochikwa kwa rwegwa asekine ikyo kera chigotegererwa lyo moyo litukoria ankyo Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Miyamano Frida Kerubo ase oroboti ururu ikiranu togotigana nayo nigo murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto acha kabene tare ya matukatato ime yense ya South Korea awase abaga kwariganiwa no murai wense yo nigo barachiko kwanera amangana manke ayo arengetego kine uchumi gatie Chinsa chibere anene ase ensemo yo bonchuriria. Ekiombe ya Kenya Medical Research Institute KEMRI kobwatrana ne kiombe ya Clean Air Africa nigo bachakirie omuroberio oyorengete gukora obebebokaretwa nerioki ase chinyomba ao anene korwa sobotumeki bwechingo na boigo amakara kurengana na Dr. James Mwitari korwa se kiombe ya KEMRI abantu wetani chiribu chimisano ne monigo bagokwa kobwatkana no muchando yo bwerioki uyokoirera abanki babogotwara umuchando bwenkoro na boigo kuborwa kwembeo nabona nigo baterera nigo barengete gochakia obutumeki bwa mafuta gose chinguru cyomorero nenchira ya moyo gochigo kyanya emechande yekoretwa nerioki.
We are doing various research and capacity building activities that are all targeted towards ensuring that communities and also institutions, not only public but even private institutions, transition from using polluting fuels such as charcoal, such as firewood, and even kerosene, to once clean fuel of polluting fuels are responsible, attributable to various diseases that are leading to Kenya at the moment, losing 23,000 people per year.
Omukonyi bw'omonogeri bw'ebungenene Gladys Boss Sholei nigo asegetro muroberio bw'okorinko olyoburere bwa kansa oyogenderete ase county ya Wasinigishu okwana chinga kyekyo Sholei nigateba n'abantu mbabwente wesokia sobonge eryokorinko liwa oburere bwa kansa asimono abagakuroge kurege tindi gokyase chi company ekyo kigenderete kuonya mariogo ayo akageire koreto oburere bwa kansa.
Prevalence of cancer in Kenya has reached levels never seen before. And when each person is diagnosed, they are at stage 4 cancer. By that time, it takes much higher medical intervention that is expensive and painful for the treatment to be done. And sometimes the treatment is not even successful. I think somebody was telling me for every 5 deaths, 4 are caused by cancer now in Kenya. So that is frightening. And we said, how do you help the community? The important thing is early detection of cancer. If you detect it early, it's not a death sentence. It can be cured. Particularly for women, and for breast cancer and cervical cancer are treatable 100%, but only if they are detected early. We have 267 types of pesticides available in Kenya that have been confirmed in worldwide.
Tumekuwa tukipata cases ya cancer na wanatibu na maneno ya kienyeji siku nyingi sana.
Usiogope kwa sababu ukiogopa alafu hiyo kitu ikushike utakuwa na shida.
Nechinga kia serikali egenderete koene kiabuna omuroberio OCBC obeire kugoikiraniwa ase chiskuru au unenchire yemo yogosira chisemi mense ya Kenya nigo ababwatani korwa ase chiskuru chia bantu nyene bagenderete wesokia na gukwanira igoro y'omuroberio yo anene junior secondary asabanke babo batere na nigo wente gutigara ase chiskuru chioboroso kolengana nababwatani abo nigo boigo baborire serikali koene kiabuna ngo inyorere chiskuru chia bantu nyene chinga kicho kubago wechibesa ase chiskuru.
Sisi kama mashule ya kibinafsi sisi wenyewe tunachenga hii structures. Na kuna bahati ya pesa walikuwa wamesema hiyo capitation. Tunaomba pia capitation ikuwe ya wanafunzi wote. Because hakuna mwanafunzi ya private school na hakuna mwanafunzi ya public school. So tunaomba pesa ikikuja iwe capitation yote across Kenya yote. Ikiwa mwanafunzi wa private anasomea shule ya kibinafsi ama public. Shauri sisi wote tunalipa, sisi ni taxpayers money. Kwa hivyo hiyo ni ombi letu kama mashule ya kibinafsi na sisi tunafanya bidii. Ukiona ile matokeo kila mwaka mashule ya kibinafsi inaongoza. Na sasa zingine tunataka hata serikali watubee hata pongezi. Lakini pato tunaomba kama junior secondary itapaki itakuwepo ikuwe domicile kwa mashule yetu.
Junior secondary school iweze kupaki kwa primary school kwa sababu wale walimu wametrainiwa kuhandle watoto wa umri huo.
Egati abasaye korwa sensemo ya Nambale meye kaunti ya Busia nigo besokia na okorokorobekana ase keria bakorero bwene bwoyo mwabo oyogotebekana gusaganwa no MC omochore we wodi ya Buhayo East meye kaunti yo ya Busia abasabu barenge no bororo nigo bateba buna okono kunererwa egento bateruna tibali gocha wanchana kugania bali babwateranire na mamochayo kobekwa byara na banyanyimbo nonya nabo nigo baganiria barayi gotika ko abasae kolende ko baligeria amabaga yemeremo eri na barabegenderere bya asama tukaribusyo.
Mimi kama Motoko nina uchungu sana kuona ya kwamba kiongozi ambaye amechaguliwa kuongoza wananchi anakuja kutudhulumu na kupiga watu. Hiyo si uongozi. Kama anataka vita aende kule Kongo apigane, kama anataka vita aende kule Ethiopia Digre aende apigane huko. Hatuwezi kubali ya kwamba unaweza kwenda kupiga mtu kwa boma yake wewe na mume wake. Sisi tunaomba mheshimiwa ambaye ni Masi Wanyonyi na mume wake Riziki washikwe wawekwe ndani na sheria ifuate.
Mume wa mheshimiwa na mheshimiwa wenyewe ndio alienda wakaumiza mwenzetu kwake, wakambeba paka kwa gari yao wakamleta paka police station na wakamwambia achukue P3 afanye waende kotini. Kweli mwenzetu alifanya, alienda akajishughulisha akachukua P3 lakini haki haijatendeka.
Kubatkana nimebaskano yechpara yogendrede konekiwa ase chinsemo au wano niga barunde bechigari baboriwe kubwati amachika para eri gutanga emebaskana yo ayangorengana ne kyombegetenerete obosombi bwa para NTSA ekyo kyaruro obosemya go cyase abantereba koba maiso chinga kichonsi aya nigo bayakwana chinga kicho kubainyora bari babwatiraniwa semebaskano yepara asensemo ya Maralal.
Tumeongea na wenzetu washikadau sana wale wa bodaboda. Tumefunzana vile tunaweza hakikisha tumepunguza idadi za barabara. Wakati hii ambayo tunaelekea Christmas, iko mambo ya festivities, traffic itakuwa mingi. Tunaisi watu madriver wote wafuate sheria ambazo zimewekwa na serikali na traffic rules.
We look at the statistics, 98% of the crashes are caused by driver behavior. When we talk about driver behavior, we're talking about things like speeding, we're talking about drunk driving, we're talking about distracted driving, we're talking about lack of use of protective gear, especially when it comes to the boda riders. When it comes to pedestrians also, we are urging you to be safe on our roads. Avoid drinking and then walking, because sometimes you lose your concentration. Avoid using things like earphones, things that will distract you.
Horabati orumancho muligere na rogotoreta omoerio wa Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ere yoboikerano ekerango wakirangambia mana sogochora kobana incho wikomoerio bali bonsto abato kubwaterana ko ene kyabuna mangana wikira asenchera yoboikerano na barabuni gonko bakirangambia mono nyora nabo kwendera tonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tobwate wetera Ndizi TV News nabo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yaito ni ora tobwate wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendrego gosemia no baigo gukumanya manke no wakabeire na nche Evelyn Osere kero twakubwatirana nere Joshua utakorwa sensemo yebimanyererio na asensemo yoko eneke chibichanerio gichyago ikira senchira yabene nigo twarengenere Petronila Mukeira ekero tokukaneria oborigereri borobya na baigo obotko boro botoereru